Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about the bad effects of smoking. Before going to the topic, subscribe to my channel. Now let's start our topic. Smoking is the main cause of lung cancer. Cigarette smoke contains over 50 known carcinogens. Passive smoking, which is the inhalation of smoke from another's smoking, is also a mass cause of lung cancer. The smoke from the burning end of a cigarette is more dangerous than the smoke from the filter end. There is a question for you to think about it, that cigarette is the most dangerous form of smoking among all types of smoking. Why? The answer is because when paper burns, carbon monoxide is released and causes suffocation, and oxygen cannot be absorbed in blood in the presence of carbon monoxide. Eliminating tobacco smoking is a primary goal in the prevention of lung cancer. If a person stops smoking, the chance to develop cancer decreases, as damage to the lungs is repaired and contaminated particles are gradually removed. The World Health Organization, that is WHO, has called for government to stop tobacco advertising to prevent young people from taking up smoking. Okay students, now let's discuss some bad effects of smoking. Smoking is harmful due to the chemicals which are present in cigarette smoke. Tobacco smoke contains over 4,000 different chemicals, out of which at least 50 are carcinogens and many are poisonous. So the choice is yours, but don't be so late. Dear student, please think about it. It's only about your life. Cigarette smoke affects the body from head to toe. Smokers have a much higher risk of developing a number of life-threatening diseases. So, some of the diseases associated with smoking are discussed here. First one is cancer. Smoking can not only cause the lung cancer, but it can also spread in the other body organs. Then comes the respiratory disorders. For example, smoking increases the risk of tuberculosis by 2 to 4 times and the pneumonia by 4 times. Smokers are at greater risk of developing infections, particularly in the lungs. Then comes the circulatory disorders. Smoking also has effects on the circulatory system. Many other chemicals in smoke increase the production of blood platelets. The carbon monoxide present in tobacco smoke lessens the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. When platelets are more than the normal numbers, they make the blood viscous and it can lead to arteriosclerosis. Now let's see what is arteriosclerosis. It is the thickening and hardening of the walls of the arteries. You can also see in the diagram the thickening and hardening of the arteries walls. Non-smokers who are exposed to passive smoking increase risk of heart and lung diseases. Heart disease risk increases by 25 to 30% and lung cancer risk increases by 20 to 30%. Another disease associated with smoking is the tooth decay. Smoking is also responsible for weakening and staining the teeth. Tooth loss is 2 to 3 times higher in smokers than in non-smokers. Another disease associated with smoking is brain damage. Nicotine is a powerful poison and was widely used as an insecticide in the past. When inhaled through tobacco smoking, it reaches our circulatory system and not only hardens the walls of the arteries but also damages the brain tissues. Smoking also affects the social life of a person. Smokers may face social unacceptance because other people may not want to be exposed to others' smoke. So please take care of yourself and others. And be careful, smoking helps you relax, but not in this world. Stop smoking, please.